Okay, looks like this is it. I didn't get it the day I thought I was gonna get it, but I got it now. Let's open it up. Okay guys, so it looks like I got my vintage Playboy ashtray. Really excited. It's not shaking, but it's glass. There's a big bump in it. It's pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about that. This is gonna be fun. Can't wait to open it up, and we'll use it for cigar night this week. Let's crack this open. Hey guys, what is up? Happy Sunday. I'm just doing my thing, hanging out. I have a cigar night now, tonight, coming up. And I finally get a chance to open up my new Playboy ashtray, classic ashtray that is retro, vintage, like from the 70s probably, on eBay. It looked like it was in great shape, so I got it from eBay. I'm about to open it up right now, and hopefully it's gonna be dope, and we'll get a chance to use it out on the patio. Let's check it out. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, so I took off the wrapping because I don't want to dox the guy who sent it to me, and I don't want to dox myself. But this box is obviously well used, kind of thick, and it's very lightweight, so hopefully this glass ashtray was packed really well. Seems like it. Okay. Green spider webby looking stuff. Okay. Get in here and cut this open. They went all out. Okay, I like it. Okay, ooh, wow, here it is. Here it is. Nice. Wow, I like it. This is very, very nice. Look at that. Amazing shape. Wow, I love it. Feels very sturdy. And it's made out of very sturdy glass, and it looks kind of flawless. Props to that cat. You hooked me up, look at that. That emblem is really, really nice. Love it, wow. There you go. There's a little flaw there, but I think that's fine. I mean, it's the way it was manufactured, but man, that is gorgeous. All right, well, thanks for checking this out, guys, my unboxing. Check out my other videos, as we'll be using it for cigar night. Here it is. The first, I have a big ash. First time in this really great, awesome ashtray.